So, you finally finished developing your website. You start admiring your hard work and waiting for users to visit your site. One day, you are with your friends, and you want to show them the website you created. You immediately pick up your phone, search for your website, and... What's wrong with my website? Why does it not look good? This button is off the screen and this image is too large. What's happening here? You immediately go home, open up your computer, and see that everything looks fine there. What seems to be the problem? You then search on Google to find out what's causing the problem, and then, you discover responsive designs, aka media queries. Media queries, that allows developers to apply styles based on the characteristics of the device or viewport rendering the web page. The following meta tag in the HTML ensures that the width of the client's browser is accurately detected. Media queries use the media rule to define conditions under which certain styles will apply. For example, for some reason, you want the background color of your body to be blue when the viewport width is less than or equal to 600 pixels. This way, when the viewport width is 600 pixels or less, the background color of the body will change to blue. We can achieve this using the max width property, which targets screens below the specified width breakpoint. For example, suppose you have a nav bar that doesn't fit well when viewed in the phone version because it's designed primarily for desktop screens. Well, you can simply use the max width property and apply it at the phone breakpoint. By doing this, you can adjust the size of the text logo and links, making the nav bar responsive. You can test your breakpoints by using Chrome's toggle device bar inside the Chrome's inspect window to see the development in real time. If you didn't know, the widths of phones usually range between 320 pixels to 600 pixels. Tablets, on the other hand, range from 600 pixels to 1024 pixels. Desktops and laptops typically range from 1024 pixels to 1440 pixels. To ensure your design is responsive across these devices, you can use the breakpoints mentioned to make your design adaptable. For example, you might use a flexbox layout for a set of cards. On the desktop version, you might display them in a row by setting the flex direction to row. On the tablet viewport, you might want to make the cards smaller by adjusting their height and width. On the phone viewport, you might want the cards to be displayed vertically, so you set the flex direction to column. If you want to learn more about responsive layouts, you can find our flexbox and grid tutorial in the description. So, there are two ways to approach creating a fully responsive design: the mobile-first approach and the desktop-first approach. The mobile-first approach involves you starting with default styles for the smallest screens, and then using min-width media queries to add styles for larger screens. The min-width property is similar to the max-width property, but works in the opposite way. Many developers prefer this approach because they prioritize the mobile view over the desktop view. According to StatCounter Global Stats, as of June 2024, mobile views lead the market share with 60.74%, compared to desktop views, which only have 37.1%. This underscores the importance of the mobile view, which is why many developers prioritize it. To truly achieve a fluid, responsive design, you need to learn about several key concepts, like for instance, ensure that images, videos, and other media elements scale appropriately on different devices. This can be achieved by using CSS properties like setting your max width to 100% and your height to auto. This prevents media from overflowing its container and ensures it resizes proportionally. Using relative units like percentages, EM, and ERM instead of fixed units such as pixels can make your design more flexible. Adjusting font sizes, line heights, and spacing based on the viewport ensures that your text remains readable on all devices. You can use CSS functions like calc function and units like VW and VH to create scalable typography. By mastering these concepts, you can create a responsive design that works seamlessly across a wide range of devices. And I know we discussed a lot of things in this video, which is why we've created a PDF version of this video. It is free, but we would really appreciate any support for the channel. Well, that's it for now. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.